Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 16e, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through DFU mode. So, disregard the fact that the phone is right now in a setup stage, as this will have no impact whatsoever. So, first we will need to boot our device into the DFU mode. And I should actually probably first start off by saying that this will work with Windows and the Mac. And on Windows you will need to download the Apple Devices program that you can get from the Microsoft Store. So you just search for the Apple Devices and install it. There we go. And just have it open. It will be very nice, as you will be able to obviously see when the device boots into the DFU mode. Another thing, on Mac, just open up your Finder, and that's all you need to do. Actually, one more thing, once you open up Finder, make sure you select your iPhone from the side list so you can see this kind of a page. So now, to boot your device into the DFU mode, we're gonna press volume up or then volume down, and we're gonna hold the power button. Once the screen turns off, you want to hold also volume down again with the power button for exactly 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, you will let go of the power button and just hold volume down. So now let's do that once more. So volume up, volume down, power. I'm already prepped to basically start holding the volume button. And right about now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I let go of the power button, and now I'm only holding volume down. And you want to hold it as long as it takes to show up right there on the screen. So you can see it's now in the DFU mode. So from here, we're going to select Restore iPhone and restore and update. Now I want to point out there is no way you can restore the device or basically reset it through DFU mode without updating it. iTunes, or well, Apple Devices in this case, will always force you to download the newest version of the software, even if you don't want to. Otherwise it just won't let you do it. So once you select restore, it will by default start downloading the newest iOS version, which is about 8 gigabytes at the time of recording it, a little over 8 gigabytes. Now, because I have already recorded a reset of this device to a different method, I have already downloaded the iOS, the newest one, so I don't need to do it right now, as long as there won't be a new one showing up. So it is stored on the computer somewhere. So yeah, it's just gonna start preparing my device, then extracting the iOS, and then loading it up to the iPhone. And this entire process will take about 10 minutes to finish up. So I'm gonna let it run through and come back once it's completed for me. Now I will actually pause the video just to save up a little bit on time and space on my disk, as I am running low. And I'm gonna resume once it's actually gonna start doing something more than just prepare. Okay, so it looks like on my end I won't be able to actually go through the full DFU reset. And I think it could be because I'm basically almost out of storage on this PC. And I think it just doesn't have enough space to unpack the actual iOS so it can install it. So it just permanently stuck in preparing the device. But just know that typically it would go very smoothly once it's done, if you have obviously space. So it's all automatic. Once it's finished, you will be presented with the setup screen right here, I can see on my end. And on the program side, or Finder, or basically Apple Devices, you would just have like a new iPhone icon right here, and you can set it up as new or restore from a backup, and that's about it. Now, like I said, unfortunately I won't be able to show this exactly, but I guess you will have to take my word for it. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.